How to change the language on your Telegram app. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the language on your Telegram app. So first of all, open your Telegram app on your mobile device. And now make sure you are logged into your Telegram account. So as you can see, my language is currently set to English. So if you want to change it, tap on the three lines on the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on settings. Now you will be taken to this page where if you scroll down right over there on the devices, you will see the option language. So tap on it and now it will provide you a bunch of various languages. So you can choose any one you want to set, and once you've done that, your language will be simply changed just like that. So that is basically how you change the language of your Telegram app. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.